I love outdoor cooking. It's probably one of my very favorite things to do. Peeling back all the layers and simplifying recipes and getting back to basics. Over a fire in nature with your friends. I mean, there's something really special and connected about that. I'm really excited about this dish. This is a dish I grew up with. It's typically made with pork chops, but we have local wild boar that my friend harvested. It's a saute of onions and corn, super simple, easy to translate outdoors. So I like to use a scrap bowl nearby so that way all my trash is in one spot. And we're gonna cut off the ends of the onion and then cut it down the center. Peel back the skin or that first layer of onion, and we're gonna do a saute slice. So bear claw your fingers and slowly or quickly run your knife in the direction of the grain of the onion. Sometimes flipping it makes it a little bit easier to handle. And then we're gonna add some of our bacon fat to our already hot pan and throw the onions in. Let's do the other onion. Okay. I want a little heat. I couldn't find a jalapeno today, so we're gonna be using this mildly spicy yellow pepper. Let's just use half. So jalapeno for heat if you'd like, yellow pepper, small dice. Let's add that to the onions. Let's mince up some garlic, maybe, 4 or 5 cloves if you're me. I love garlic. Ooh, that's nice. The onions are starting to caramelize. And now we're gonna add our corn. I like the frozen corn because I'm camping anyways, helps keep my cooler cold. And I'm gonna use it within the first couple days of camping, so it makes it easier. And this one's fire roasted, which I like a lot. So we're gonna add, let's see, maybe half of the bag? Oh yeah. Again, I love Aleppo pepper, a heaping amount, a little bit of salt. And while we're gonna let this saute and come together for a few minutes and that garlic to cook, we're gonna season the boar. So we're gonna reposition this to a little bit a cooler zone because we want this hot zone for our pork chops. And now let's season our pork. One of my favorite spices is adobo, a typical Latin American spice that kind of goes on all meat products. It's a good go-to for camping outdoor vibes. It goes with everything. Simple, one-stop shop. Salt, both sides, especially the fat, and fresh ground pepper. I'm gonna oil this paper towel just to hit the grill with a little bit of fat, clean it off a little bit. We're gonna add our pork to the grill. All right, we got a sear on both sides. Let's finish it off in the pan with the goods of onions and peppers. I'm gonna cover it just for a couple minutes to help steam off those pork chops. Kind of like creating a faux oven for a minute. All right, we are good. So for service, I'm just gonna use some wild arugula, little bit of really good olive oil, and salt. Don't even need any acid or a dressing. That's great. So a pork chop or two, and then we'll just top it with our corn, caramelized sauteed onion. And there you go.